Today I'm going to show you how to add video inside of text in CapCut PC. So to do that, we're going to take our stock video of New York and we're going to drag it onto the main timeline. Next, we're going to move it one layer up. Then we're going to go to text and we're going to take default text and we're going to drag it on top of our main clip. And then we're going to go ahead and expand it across the entire clip. Next, staying on the default text top layer, we're going to go over here and I'll just change this to New York. You want to make sure that you have white text and then use a font that's bold. So if you click here, font system, I found that Anton works well, and then go ahead and expand it, make it much bigger. You want it to cover as much of the background as you can for whatever you're featuring. That looks pretty good. And then I'm just gonna kind of center it. I'm gonna want that skyline in the background, so we'll go like that. Once you have the font that you like and you have it aligned how you want, next take the text layer and drag it below the main video, then click on the main clip. Then go over to Basic, Blend, click on Blend, and you'll see Mode. Go ahead and click on Default. That'll open up this drop down, and then select Multiply. And then if we go ahead and play it, you can see we have the text with our video of New York City skyline in the background. Let's go ahead and expand this and see what it looks like when we play it this way. So you can see it looks pretty cool. Skyline in New York City in the text. So that's how to add video inside of text with CapCut PC. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.